So now that we've looked at the different types of data analysis methods that you can use, we need to know when to use which ones. And the first important thing is to decide on the reason for doing the analysis. So it's no point in deciding on a method until you actually know why you're doing it. So there are three main reasons for doing data analysis. The first is to draw a conclusion. There might be a reason to look at a set of results and draw conclusions or make a decision from the data presented. So this is often a once-off decision. So examples of this could be awarding an individual learner, giving recognition to a school, giving recognition to a subject or department, a quick comparison of more than one school, maybe a comparison of more than one class, or compiling results with other schools or departments with limited detail or information. So those are a number of reasons that you could use. And for these, a measure of central tendency is possibly the most important or most appropriate method to use. The reasons for this is it's quick and easy to determine. Not all the results are important. There's no in-depth analysis needed, and little feedback is needed. So the methods that you'd use there would be your mean, your medium, and your mode. So that's the one reason for doing analysis. Now, another reason would be to detect problems. So you might have a situation when management or teachers are aware that there might be a problem in either the teaching, learning, or assessment process, and they need to use the data to detect this actual problem. So examples of this could be comparing results with another school or department with detail and information, determining why there's a discrepancy between internal and external results, detect problems and irregularities in an assessment process. You could be detecting problems in the standards and quality, determining why there's a discrepancy between different class results, to look at why a particular group of learners or subject is performing poorly, and then also to determine whether the expectations of the learners are actually appropriate. So that is your detection of problems. But the other one is to make sure that you've got ongoing improvement. And here you need to make sure in every school that you're continuously evaluating and improving on what you're doing. So analysis of data can really guide this process. Examples of this could be you giving constructive comments and recommendations for improving a process, to give constructive comments and recommendations for improving your actual teaching, or recommendations for assessment and how to improve the results there. Certainly to provide feedback during moderation, to provide feedback on the teacher and school appraisal, and then also gathering school information for the school improvement plan, and then also to inform new policies and current policies to be able to change them. So in both these cases where you're looking to detect problems or to improve, you should be looking to use a measure of dispersion. And this is the most appropriate because this indicates trends. It uses all of the results. It provides instant graphic feedback as a basis for discussion, and of course indicates where improvement or possible improvement can be looked at. And what's wonderful about this method as well is it describes the spread of results in a specific way or precise way. So here you're looking at methods such as range, using normal distribution, or interquartile range. So those are the three that you'd use for looking at detecting problems or ongoing improvement. So again, come back to what is your reason for doing the analysis, and that should guide you in terms of what sort of data analysis you should be doing.